Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to improve your English through stories. Today's story is The Lion and the Mouse. It's great for learning new vocabulary, practicing storytelling, and understanding kindness. Listen carefully to the story about friendship and kindness. After the story, I will explain how you can use it to practice speaking English. Let's start the story. The story's title is The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was taking a nap in the forest. A little mouse accidentally ran across his paw and woke him up. The lion was very angry and cuffed the mouse with his huge paw. "Please don't eat me," begged the mouse. "If you let me go, I will surely repay you one day." The lion laughed at the idea of a tiny mouse helping him, but he decided to let the mouse go. He said, "You are free, but I doubt you will ever be able to help me." A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He struggled and roared, but he would not break free. The mouse heard the lion's roars and quickly came to help. The mouse started nibbling on the roars with his sharp little teeth. After some time, the ropes broke and the lion was free. "You laughed at me when I promised to help you," said the mouse. "But now you see that even a small mouse can help a mighty lion." The lion thanked the mouse for his kindness and they became good friends. Moral: no act of kindness is ever wasted, and even the smallest friend can make a big difference. Let's see some keywords: lion, mouse, forest, hunter, net, kindness. Dear learners, please focus on these words. They describe animals, places, and actions. Try to repeat them loud and use them in sentences to help remember them. Dear learners, please practice the dialogues between the lion and the mouse. The mouse said, "Please don't eat me." Practicing these short sentences helps you with intonation and expression. Imagine you are the mouse talking to the lion and repeat the lines with feeling. Retell the story in your own words for fluency practice. After listening, try to retell the story on your own. You can summarize it, in just a few sentences or give all the details. This helps you improve fluency and get comfortable speaking English. Dear learners, why is it important to be kind? Think about the story's lesson. And the story shows that kindness has a way of coming back to you. Try to explain what you think about this in English. Talking about morals helps you express thoughts and ideas in a meaningful way. Now let's notice the past tense verbs. They are was, caused, heard, thanked. The story uses past tense verbs to describe what happened. Practicing these helps you talk about events in the past. Try using some of these words in your own sentences. Let's describe the lion and the mouse. Powerful, brave, kind, helpful. Lion is powerful and the mouse is brave and helpful. Practice describing people or animals like this to build your vocabulary. It helps you talk about traits and personalities. Dear learners, try retelling the story and using the new words you learned today. And I hope you enjoyed The Lion and the Mouse. Try retelling the story to practice your spoken English. Dear viewers, I hope these videos are helping you to improve your English. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Please support the channel and keep practicing every day.